Hi everyone, Lars Christensen here, part of the Fusion team. You just caught me verifying the program for this 2D part. Now, from time to time, your customers ask for more than one of the same part. If it's just a few, you might be happy just load stock in your vise, hit the green button, unload, and repeat. But sometimes, someone comes up with the idea of fixturing multiple parts. Like this double-sided vise, efficient. We can agree that it's easy selecting the extra faces and edges in Fusion, but our CAM developers have actually provided a pretty nifty tool called Component Pattern. So here to the left, I have all the operations for the part I just programmed, and if I select them all and right-click, you will see Add to New Pattern. You got some great options in here, linear, circular, etc. But my favorite is the last, component. Check this out. I will select the source, that is the one already programmed, and that's it. Hit OK, and we have now taken the toolpath created on part 1 and patterned them all to part number 2. That is quick programming in my book. Now you might ask, what if I have more than 2 parts? Well, I have not exceeded the max yet. Hope you find this helpful, and until the next time, have an awesome day.